Hi guys. So earlier today, Fanny Masimula, who is the National Commissioner Yamapoisa, was on TV saying that the police in South Africa no longer have the capacity to manage the crimes that are happening in South Africa, and it's mostly because people from Africa all are coming down south to South Africa. Therefore, it's causing a burden on the police because amaphoyisa no longer have the capacity to keep up with igebengu. National Police Commissioner. So, the finance minister says a few days back that the country can no longer afford to survive because we are financing people from outside of Africa. Health Minister also said that our resources are stretched because we are taking care of people from all over Africa. Right? Ngifuna understand. Then yesterday, the Home Affairs Minister grants them an extension ZDPs, knowing that the finance minister has already said that we can no longer take care of these people from all over Africa. Police minister today confirms it. Now you guys are telling me that we have a government that is so clueless that different states can say one and the same thing, or different departments can say the same thing. We can't afford to have illegal immigrants. In fact, we can't afford to have even foreigners in this country anymore. Regardless of what status, we can't have working visas because even in employment, there's a problem with illegal immigrants. And then there's a section of government that wants to further endorse lento yama illegal immigrants, or immigrants for that matter. It leaves you wondering, what is going on? Does government have a plan? I ask myself this. Do you think our government has a plan on how they are going to sort this thing out? Because I'm telling you now, government is not going to sort out Lentema illegal immigrants. It is us as South Africans that have to sort it out. We are the ones that have to make it uncomfortable for illegal immigrants to not have places to rent, to not have places where they can work, to not have places where they go to school, to not have places where they are running tuck shops or businesses, because we are not going to be supporting them. I'm calling on all South Africans, South Africans, ngiyazi ukuthi manje sayicabanga lento ubone ngazi ukuthi wena ik-affect. Kodwa ngiyakuthembisa iyaku-affecta nawe. Uyabona ukuthi ngalesikhathi wena uyitshela ukuthi uthatha imali ye-rent from umuntu illegal immigrants, angazi futhi bangaka bathi bayarentisa labantu, and umuntu ebuye kuthina esezosikhalela ethi umuntu semkhipha emzini wakhe usethathe over, or abantu utheseshonile ingane zakhe ayisakwazi ukuthatha over indlu yakhe ngoba lo muntu sewuclaim umuzi as umuzi wakhe, and then mase nizokhalela thina. Kodwa siyanikhuza sithi musani ukuqashisa izindlu zenu kulabantu bokufika ningabazi ukuthi bawobani, ngoba one day bazodalela wena inkinga. Abama-tuck shop angazi ke bangaki sibasiza sebefuna bephume ey'ndaweni zabo abasafuni, ngoba basebenza with abantu ama-mafia abo ababaprotectayo abavikelayo. Uthi usufuna ukubakhipha, they start threatening you, they start wanting to kill you because abafuni ukusuka kwi-property yakho. So ngiyanicela South Africans, this thing is not going to be sorted by government. Idinga thina ukuthi silungise. Government wethu is clueless. I promise you, if you were to ask them today what their plan is for getting rid of illegal immigrants, they'll tell you, oh, we got rid of 50,000 when we are sitting at a number of estimated 20 million. 20 million people are walking around. That's just a rough estimate. Obviously we've got no way of knowing. These people bazoba baningi badlule thina one day, and when that day comes, we will have no voice. They will silence us, they will take over our homes, they will come in one by one and raid every single one, because ba organized bona. They are organized, they have meetings, they have groups, they have everything. Thina silibele ukudance groove. kudla ama-drugs lawa basunkonka wona futhi ukwenza sure ukuthi mase sezidlile ama-drugs la abantu bethu abacabangi anything but ukuthatha their next fix and their next fix. We have a problem, guys, and I'm begging all of you ukuthi ngishabe kuthi uyabenefita and awuyiboni isidingo salento esiyenzayo. Ngicela ukuthi uhlale phansi and usihluphe about learning about ama-effects illegal immigration. 5 years from now, South Africa yobe ingekho the way that you think ikhona manje. They are coming in numbers, recruiting their brothers, their sisters, their cousins, their entire families to come here. And don't think what's coming here is because they want to come here and live with South Africans. They want to get rid of you in your own country and take over. And I'm saying this as some of you might think ukuthi uyahlanya lo. Vele kuba njalo mangabe ukhuluma ngento eqiniso ubuya ngathi uyahlanya. Ubuya ngathi awusile ekhanda lakho. But I'm telling you, so kusasa sisenkantolo. Tomorrow fighting the Human Rights Commission. The Human Rights Commission of South Africa. So besibelwa nabo. Ngiyacela nibe khona. Durban High Court so besikhona thina from 9 o'clock. Please bring something to drink. Sizobe senza show ukuthi siyagcoba. Sikhathele thina uhulumeni wethu ongasilaleli and manje babopha thina instead of fixing the problem that is illegal immigrants. Guys, we need to wake up. Asekho isikhathi sokudlala manje. Asekho ukudansa nogroove nani isikhathi salokho asekho. Ngoba if those people come and take over this country today, nyobe niphethe ama militants from all over the world engawazi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Jacinta ukhuluma ngema-foreigners again. Siyadika ukuthi Jacinta she is part of iMarch and March bahambisana nje nabo Operation Dudula labaqosha ama-foreigners ukuthi abafuni ma-illegal foreigners eSouth Africa abahambe njengoba nakusasa as tomorrow no today baya-appeara lapha ecourts eDurban. They did announce ukuthi baya-appeara lapha ecourts eDurban njengoba bavulele icala lokuthi bona baqosha ama-foreigners. But anyway asikho lapho uJacinta uthi bantu they should really be careful of ma-foreigners. Ma-foreigners akusegood edala South Africa because afuna kuhlala nathi. They want to take over iSouth Africa. Bafuna kuhambe thina kuhlale bona and uthi ngisho nalabantu who are saying ukuthi bona they are benefiting from foreigners because baqashisa ngetindlo la kuhlala khona ama-foreigners uthi niyokhala simaye ama-foreigners afuna kutake over tindlo tenu ningasakhoni kusitakala because those people banema-connections banema-groups la bakhuluma khona bane-power nje banemandla lamakhulu kabi uthi asilweni nokuthi ma-foreigners ahambe because in 5 years to come kuyobe kungasiyi South Africa lele sibona manje things are gonna be worse ngema-foreigners because aqhamuka ngebunyenti qhamuka nabo cousin bosesi wabo bhodi bomzala bonke sebagqolela South Africa uthi asakhoni ngisho nokuthi sibukane netinsita tethu crime say very high amaphoyisa awasakhoni because iAfrica yonke seyigcwelela South Africa abantu from Zim bantu from Malawi from Nigeria basuka kuwo onke lawo ma-countries lawo betela South Africa. Lokwenda ukuthi tinsita tala South Africa tingasasineli because sesebenziswa abantu labaningi kakhulu emakliniki yinqumbi yabantu baningi kakhulu bantu labaqhamuka kwemavalo angaphandle laba la South Africa ngalo ngekho emthethweni bathehlalele bakhibikile basoshabeni and they are gonna take over South Africa if sibayekela ngokuthi baqhubeke bahlale futhi bangene la South Africa ngalo ngekho emthethweni. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.